It's April 23rd, 2023. Let's start the updates with the raspberry. You can see a lot more new growths, and the growths from the old cane, you can see flowers forming. And over here's the asparagus, a lot more new sprouts, and the sprouts that we saw last week is getting taller. They're really thick too, so really excited to harvest these new asparagus sprouts. Over here's the mulberry. The buds are opening. You can see the leaves from the buds. Here's the rhubarb, still flowering. Green onion, flowers are still forming. Here's the blueberry. You can see it's getting a lot greener. A lot of flowers forming. Here's the grape. You can see all the buds are getting bigger. This is the first one that has opened. And here's the lavender, also getting greener, lots of new leaves. Not seeing any flowers forming just yet. Here's the catnip, it's getting quite big. Hopefully we'll get some cats. And here's the peony. All the sprouts are getting quite tall and big, and there's a lot of sprouts. And if you look closely, you can see flowers forming from some of the sprouts. I would say probably most of the sprouts. Here's a flower bud. Here's another one. Quite a few of them. So yeah, very excited to see some peony flowers. And while I was weeding the planter over here, I saw this tiny sprouts, and it looks like a Chinese lantern plant to me. I think it's the one that I planted last year. It survived the winter. Broccolini is still flowering. It's getting quite big. I think the main plant, or the main stem, is right here. You can see it's getting quite woody. Over here is the bulb plant. This is the grape hyacinth latifolium. Flowers are kind of small this year. Summer snowflakes still developing. I'm not seeing any flowers yet. Glory of the snow, just leaves, no more flowers. Persian pearl tulips, I think I missed all the flowerings. Over here is the grape hyacinth. Flowers also are still developing. Here's the striped squill. Flowers have faded, and some of them are turning into seed pods. Here's the hydrangea. More growths. Not seeing any flowers forming just yet. Same with these hydrangea over here. And then here's the lily of the valley. Here you can see flowers forming. And there's quite a few sprouts coming up all over the patio. Here you can see a few more. And the flowers forming over here. Let me just move the leaves, the winter jewel leaves, so you can have a clearer view of all the sprouts. And here you go. You can see some sprouts forming around here, and a few more around here. And the sixth and the last flower has opened from the Phalaenopsis. So here we have 6 flowers.